What's up, guys? Welcome to Exotic Car Blacklist, and we are here for an amazing episode. But first and foremost, to start this thing off properly, we took delivery of our 2022 Hellcat wide body. You probably can't see it right now. That's for a reason. Just hear me out. I got to get a cold start, so I wanted to cold start it in the garage while it was closed. Then open the door so you can see my face. Then see the car. Then we're gonna get in. We got to go meet somebody cool today. You have seen him in my vlog before, or you seen him in my vlog before. Linked up with him one time before, and man, let's give a big recognition to this cold start first, and then I'm gonna bring my guy into this video. So let's get a cold start so we can get rolling. All right, let me close the door because everybody's asleep right now. All right, here we go. It's gonna be dark. Bear with me. Wow. The cold starts hit different once you crank your SRT up. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody is now awake. Once I get this muffler delete done, it will be even worse. Let's get this vlog started and let's go meet our guest of the day. I'll see you guys shortly. Okay. So my first time seeing under the hood. But as I told you guys, I got a special guest that's gonna be here today. And without further ado, my guy Mod2fame is here with me today.
That's right.
We gotta get this way because the sun.
Yeah, the sun is in the way. The sun is in the way. We actually gotta come. We gotta round.
So I got my guy here with me today, man. You know, big Mod2fame, big step. He's here, man. Y'all done seen him before. I was in his vlog last time, shooting a video in his vlog in Myrtle Beach, so we are here today. Got my big dog, man. So much respect to him.
I'm out here with Exotic Car Blacklist. You know the vibes, my boy Preston, man. I had to come pull up on him. I'm on my way to South Carolina for a family event, and I said if I'm gonna touch down in Charlotte, then I need to touch. You know what I mean? I need to tap in with my man. You feel me?
You know what I'm saying? He knew what to do, man. Cause when I'm in his city, I'm definitely gonna hear him up. So it is what it is. I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. You and Toro, man. Y'all came and looked out for a brother. So you know what I'm saying? I always want to keep that line of communication. I always want to keep that open. You know what I'm saying?
Never burn your bridges. I done told y'all that before.
100%.
So
I put a call out. These boys showed up, man. They showed up and they showed up big. They supported your boy. They put on a nice little show. And in return, they had a good ass time. Don't get it twisted.
We did.
Wifey calling. She in the mall right now.
All right, so we're gonna let him handle his call. But look, let me walk out around the car because I know you've only seen it in one video so far. So let's walk around and look at it one more time. And then I'm gonna have to talk to you guys later because I gotta do some content with my guy. So as you guys know, 22. Don't play with me, man. This ain't 707. This is 717 now. Yo. No, I did not get the red eye, and I purposely did not get the red eye because your boy is in the running for a position, and he will have a red eye. So no,
for those of you that don't know though, this color right here is, you know, it's affectionate to me, and it brings back sad memories. Cause my red eye was indigo blue. Yep. Man, it was lowered. It was nice. Yeah. Lowered. I gloss blacked out the wheels. Cause the wheels come like this black, satin black. Yep. But I wanted it to be prettier, so I got them powder coated gloss black.
Oh, that's baller status. That's baller status.
That ain't no baller status. That's a little cheap code shit. You know what I'm saying? You get wheels powder coated 500. You can. You know what I'm saying? Yep. You put some little spacers. Yep. You lower it a little bit, and the car looks modified at that point. But it still has all the factory components on it. You know what I'm saying? But this right here, wide body Chargers, to me, they have just a different look, bro. Them shits just look brawling. You know what I mean? They look brawling. Oh, I also got black exhaust tips.
Just in case, I mean, a lot of people know you, but just in case, tell them what you got at home, big dog. What you know? Tell them what you know.
So, well, it depends on when you started watching the channel. If you started watching the channel back in 2018, you'll know me as the guy who bought the cheapest Hellcat in the country. If you started watching the channel as of last year, then you'll know me with the guy with the most expensive Hellcat in the country. And they're the same car.
And the quickest too, right?
They're one in the same car. It is the fastest Hellcat point blank period on the street. Yeah. If you don't believe me, go check the Jaggy app right now. Yeah. What's good, brother? Appreciate that. A lot of guys they focus on, you know, quarter mile stuff and all that, but that's not really my thing. I like real world racing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So in the real world, we use an app called Draggy. It tells us our 60 to 130. It also tells you your quarter mile and all that, but I use it for 60 to 130, 100 to 150.
This guy famous on there, Lella. He gonna tell you he famous on there now. His time.
Yeah, my times is legendary on there, bro. My times are legendary on there, and the crazy part is that's through a stick shift. You know what I'm saying?
That's a 60 to 130 or is it 60 to 120?
60 to 130
60 to
and
130.
and 100 to 150.
It was like 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
So I'm in the 4s, 60 to 130, and I'm in the 3s, 100 to 150.
Y'all.
And out of a Hellcat, that's unheard of,
That's
bro.
crazy.
And the only ones that you see close to that, you know, shout to the guys that do the quarter mile racing, but the guys who do it on glue.
Yep.
The difference is when you see mine, my 100 to 130 is way faster than theirs. Their 60 to 100 is way faster than mine, but it's because they're on glue. They're starting from 0, whereas I'm starting like we would in the real world. If you on a highway, bro, you see somebody pull up, it's go time. You know what I'm saying? It's go time right then and there. So,
and when I started my page,
Yeah.
I found you because I said, who is this guy racing people on the highway? And that's when I found his page.
in Mexico, yeah.
So I was
in
watching
Mexico.
I'm
gonna tell y'all how things work, right? I grew up.
Go ahead.
I started this thing. I started YouTube,
Yeah.
watching this man on my TV, like literally watching him on my TV, to actually getting to meet him now. So for me, this is surreal. Like if you hustle, if you put your mind on whatever you want, you can make anything happen. I'm telling you, I was watching this man on TV.
Yeah.
Now he's here.
True story, bro. True story. You know, but you said to me when I met you the first time.
Yep.
You said you heard about the opportunity, so you jumped on the opportunity. You took the opportunity. You know what I mean? And things is really happening for you, bro.
Yeah. Hey, it is.
And I'm super proud, man.
I appreciate that.
I mean,
appreciate that. Hey, this is my guy.
I'm
This is my guy right here.
I'm super proud of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm
This is
super
my
proud
guy.
of that because that's how I work too.
Yep.
You know, a lot of people be like, yo, you got lucky. You know what I'm saying? To get what you have, to get where you are.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
That ain't luck, man. That's just grind.
Listen,
that's
brother,
a grind.
there is luck, right?
Yeah.
And the way that you get luck is you work yourself to yourself to it.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
You gotta be in the right place at the right time. But if you're in the right place at the right time, that means you were grinding to be there.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
You were in the right place at the right time because you jumped in the car because I put out a call.
Yep.
You stopped everything you was doing and drove 3.5 hours to be in the right place at the right time.
See what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? A lot of people like you was just lucky. It ain't.
It's not luck.
Listen, man. There's no
not.
such thing as luck, man.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
There's hard work.
Yep.
And then yes, there is a little bit of God's favor.
It is.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
That does exist.
No, that's real. That's real.
But
100%.
he only meets you where you are. So you gotta go to where it is. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. And manifest it. Make sure you look forward. Keep that mindset.
That's it.
All right, so I had my guy in the vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all later. We got some hoon action going on. It's not gonna be your boy, but it's gonna be the other guys out there. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later because now we are in his vlog. So your boy is out until we meet up with the other cars. Later. Guys, we are still headed down to the meet in Columbia, but we had to stop off.
What's going on? Mr. Nobody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trying to get ready to roll out.
Rev it.
Gotta do it a little quicker. Can't hear that supercharger. Rev it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I want to rev it? Go ahead. I'm good with it, bro. Are you gonna pass the opportunity up? It's a Hellcat, bro. Go ahead.
Hey, Mr. Nobody, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go ahead and start this beast up. Boy, let's start it up.
You're gonna have to open that thing up, man.
I got to do what?
You're gonna have to open it up.
Why?
Mine sound a little bit louder right now.
Hey, to be real, I said that in my videos. The Scat Pack and Idle are louder than the Hellcats. I've said that before.
Or
and
some
people
RTs,
arguing me over
some
that.
RTs idle louder than Scat Packs
Yeah,
too.
I know. But people argue me on that.
I don't
The
know.
Scat Pack is louder than the Hellcat. I mean, it's
You gotta
0.2 more
put your-
liters.
You gotta put your YouTube on there.
Put my YouTube on the Who channel is the Exotic Car Blacklist. All right, look, I'm following you, right?
Yeah. Chat you.
Are you good? Yeah. Yeah. Yo, look at this Nobody. Mopar got his stuff cleaned up, cleaned his rims and his tires and his car. He needed to because there was too much pollen on them. Yeah, sand pack wide body. Alright, so look, we did this on purpose, man. Superman and Superman Jr. We purposely did it. Superman and Superman Jr. So when we pull up, you already know what it is. You know, he got the red interior. I don't know if y'all can see that right now. Let me open the door. Oh, got the door locked. He took the key. He did me wrong. He got the red interior on his. Got the red interior on there. Y'all already know Superman, man. Got the cat on the side. Got the cat on the side. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop in. So I'm gonna go to this car. So I'm like, it's a 6. He still like came out the house yet. He must be taking a week. But go ahead and hop up in here, get ready to roll. He said he wanted to get some chapstick. I told him he needed it too, but don't tell him I said that. Alright, let's get ready to roll, man. What's up, y'all? So your boy finally got here. We finally in Columbia, man. We at the car meet now. So, well, it's more, yeah, it's a car meet. Let's just call it a car meet. We got all the Dodges out here. It's strictly Dodges right here, and this is this Lane Hall's event. This Lane Hall's event.
Yeah.
Okay, nigga. So it's
Hog day, nigga.
Come on, man. I gotta edit you, bro. I gotta edit, bro. Stop cussing. The kids watch this. Not my kids, but all the kids.
Shit.
All the kids.
Hey, man, look. Responsible adults, we curse, don't curse. Be your choice, you know what I'm saying? Big hog shit.
Yeah, there we go. So Hall Life representing this they meet right here. This they meet, and this is all his people. This Hall Life president, chapter president.
Hey, man, that's my boy, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow him. You know what I'm saying? Getting them subscribers up, man. My boy produces quality content for the people, man. Make sure you keep you educated. You don't be on no bullshit, man. Quality dude, man. Make sure you check my boy out.
Yeah. What's your Insta? Shout your Insta.
Santana_scat. Santana's _ with double _ garage. And then Lane House, Carolinas, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out the movie.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. But we about to walk around, take a look at everybody's car. So I'm gonna get some film on here. Me and my guy Santana. So let's go.
Divine different regular Pac-Man rap.
I see Buddy around town right here. I see you all the time over there.
Make sure y'all follow.
Okay.
Or is you recording?
Hey, man, listen. I'm recording.
He's a bad cameraman, bro. I'm trying to get y'all.
Exotic Car Black.
Yeah, he getting back right.
Full mango. Y'all see it on the tag right there. Hey, the doors gonna make the doors go up or something? You gonna make the doors go up?
I'm gonna have some.
Okay.
Boy, you gonna record?
Yeah, I'm recording.
I'm gonna tell her come over here.
Boy, when they see this video drop, I'm gonna show them how you talk to me. Yeah. Y'all gonna see how he talk to me. He acting up.
That's my best friend on the side.
Y'all gonna see how he acting up.
Officer Patterson, but yeah. You don't tell him.
Hellcat, Charlie, Charger, another Hellcat, Scat Pack 392. He was acting up right there. He pulled out sideways. Yes, sir. Hey, I see you. Yeah, let's go. Man, they everywhere. They heavy out here today, baby. Sheesh. That white. Look at that matte black 392, baby. That white is the stuff. Now we got the drone in the air. Y'all see the drone? Got the drone up in the sky. Let me go see what Mr. Nobody over here doing, because he wanted to get over here in the corner. So let's go interview him and see why he's standing over here in the corner. Mr. Nobody. Why? The people want to know, aka me. Why you standing over here in the corner, bro?
No,
he on punishment.
This ain't
I told him to get over here, y'all.
Don't back up.
He on punishment. Now he trying to tell me to watch out.
This ain't gonna be whatchamacallit.
Huh?
I had to come.
Oh, he acting up.
I was thirsty.
You thirsty?
Yeah.
Thanks. This is my guy Red Rumble. Was it Red Rumble B?
Red Rumble B 392.
There we go, Red Rumble B 392. Y'all actually don't know, man. This man has actually been in my video before. He been around for a little minute,
A little minute.
Silent. Little minute.
I stay silent, you know.
He do.
But I'm out here.
That's his will. He gonna help me. He gonna help me with them tire stickers because I messed them up last time.
Hey, I'll hook you up, man.
He gonna help me with my tire stickers. Follow my guy, man. Red Rumble B392. Let's go. Let's go. We are out here. Ooh. Who Hellcat wide body is that? Oh god darn, that's mine. Never mind. Huh? That's a Hellcat wide body Charger 2022 with my name on the window sticker, man. Damn. Nah, I ain't going to get him. Ain't nobody going to get that.
All right, man, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog right now. So we started, you know, we was doing our thing with Mod2fame this morning. Y'all saw that already. Now we are about to, I don't know what we're about to do, man. I'm probably about to go to Mr. Nobody house. So we about to go wash our cars and make sure that they clean and they leaning. So let's go get this, do this done. So we're probably gonna head out probably another 5-10 minutes. Head back to the crib or something like that. We gotta get us something to eat. So I don't know what he gonna do about food, but we gonna find something. Yeah, you hungry?
Yeah, I gotta get food before I go back to the house.
All right, me too. We gotta get food before we go back to the house. So that's what we about to do. So yeah, it's Nobody More. We out. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.